Hi everyone, I'll be showing you how to achieve my fresh faced makeup look using my Holy Grail Motives Cosmetics products. I use minimal products on the face to let my skin breathe or rest from the thick stage makeup I'd wear during shows. So it's a perfect routine that just enhances your features for a polished and natural look.